Mass layoffs have become a thing and recession chatters are all around. So starting a business of your own seems to be a good idea, but a part of you is also scared if your business would work or not. And what kind of business should you start? So to help you make a better decision, we have created a list of recession-proof business ideas. Now I know you're thinking, but what are recession-proof business ideas? So recession-proof businesses are those who make profits in good economic conditions as well as during times like recession. Keep watching this video to know the top recession-proof business ideas which have the potential to do great business than others during the time of recession. Number 1 on the list is cleaning services. After the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic, hygiene has become an important thing and the need for people to do cleaning services has increased. Corporations need people to come and clean their office spaces on regular basis. Many working professionals also prefer to hire cleaning service agencies to clean their homes as they cannot spare time for that from their busy schedules. Hence, it is a recession-proof business idea that you can start yourself and then hire people to work with you. The next on the list is freelancing. Freelancing is you working on a contractual basis with a company or an individual where you get paid for your service like content writing, copywriting, graphic designing, social media management and more. Hence, you can decide the number of clients you want to work with according to your time bandwidth and expertise. Due to the recession, employees prefer to hire freelancers rather than hiring a full-time employee as it reduces the cost, making it a recession-proof business. The third on the list is online teaching. Now, online teaching does not mean you should teach the academic subjects that are taught in the school. You can teach any skills you have knowledge and passion for. It can be cooking, dancing, singing, crocheting and more. And teaching online also gives you the option to teach people from all over the world and not limit yourself to a geographical area. And with the increasing number of people getting laid off, people have understood that they need to work and keep investing in their skills if they want to have an edge over others in their field. Hence, teaching industry will never go down irrespective of the economic conditions, but it may see a hike. Next on the list is financial planning and management. Regardless of the economic conditions, you will need a financial expert to manage your finances and make sure you're following all rules and regulations in terms of tax payment, and have an accounting expert who can help you save money during the time of economic crisis. Businesses rely on the advice of a financial expert to help them plan their finances better and manage their wealth in a better way by using all the information available so as to sail through the tough times. Even common people tend to consult an expert to manage their finances in a better way, so this is definitely a growing market if you have expertise in this field. The fifth business idea on the list is to start a skincare or cosmetic brand. While this may seem like a luxurious idea, people are very particular about the kind of products they use on their skin and they are still willing to invest in good quality beauty and skincare products, and everybody wants to look good and feel good about themselves. Hence, they will definitely invest in their skincare and beauty products. So this is definitely a growing industry if you can find a problem and create a market for your niche. The next on the list is to buy a food franchise. The benefits of buying a franchise is that the brand is already established and is well known among the people, and you also get support from the town on how to get started or whenever you are stuck. And buying a food franchise is a stable business because it has a lesser risk than starting a business from scratch. A good way to go about this is to bring a very popular brand that is not available in your town or city and start it near an area where a lot of people can visit it easily. The seventh idea on the list is to start an e-commerce store or a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is the process of selling products that the seller does not keep in stock. After the seller receives an order, it is passed along to a third party, typically a manufacturer, retailer or wholesaler, who ships the goods directly to the purchaser. Here, you only have the cost of creating a website and marketing your business through different social media channels. Websites like Wix and Shopify help you to easily set up your business with no to minimal cost, and you can run your social media by yourself in the start if you do not want to hire someone. The next idea on the list is baby care and products. Parents want to give their children the best. Even though they make adjustments in the amount they spend for themselves, they do not make adjustments when it comes to their children. Hence, all the other industry might take a backseat during tough times, but the baby products industries won't, as people cut down their expenses in other areas but not on this one. Similarly, during these times of economic crisis, people tend to do multiple jobs and sometimes both parents do, so to make the end meet. Hence, they prefer to rely on childcare centers and babysitters to take care of their child's need while they are away. The ninth on the list is the pet industry. People treat their pets as a part of their family, especially the Gen Z and the millennials, and would spend money on them and pamper them even when they are tight on budget. From toys to food and massages to cleaning and spa, pet parents leave no stone unturned one turn to show their love and pamper their pets, making the pet industry a recession-proof business. The last business idea on the list is to create and sell digital products on sites like Etsy, Gumroad, and more. Here, you can do a thorough research and create a product based on your needs. These products can be templates for sending emails, which can be used by freelancers, or editable Canva templates for a particular niche or more. The best part about this is you don't have to invest a lot of money in the start, and you can make money from these products for the longest time. Starting a business may seem daunting, but take one step at a time, and remember there's nothing wrong in starting small and selling things to your own network only. There are businesses that do extremely well even during hard times as well. So put your best foot forward and eventually your business will flourish and you will be able to grow. So that's all for today. Hope these ideas help you to choose a business idea you can start in these tough times and monetize your skill. Share in the comments which business idea did you like the most and if you have any more recession proof ideas. Thanks for watching.